Hello guys, this is Candy and the Tips, and we are back to snaking. And this is a bathtub, and I'm gonna be using cordless Ryobi snake machine. Cordless Ryobi with a 6 amp battery.
I would definitely recommend using a battery that has higher amps because it has a longer runtime, more capacity, and it's much powerful. A lot more powerful than let's say 1.5 or 2 amp battery. This bathtub is not completely clogged up, but it's very slow, and I think I know what's going on. The drain is full of hair, long hair, and that's why it's slow. This particular Ryobi snake machine comes with 25 feet long cable or snake, and you can't attach more cable to it. This cable is about 3/8 of an inch in diameter, and it's made from stainless steel, which in my opinion is a little bit softer and more flexible than regular steel. There are pluses and minuses to this because it doesn't rust as much, but it's more flexible, which means it will kink a lot easier, kink and twist. So you have to be careful. You have to constantly feed the cable into the drain, and you have to make sure that you don't have a really long slack or distance between the drain and the machine, because the cable will twist and kink, and it's just not the way it works. So you have to constantly feed the cable into the drain, and keep your finger on a trigger. It kind of works like a regular drill with a really long drill bit. You know what I mean. This particular snake machine you can use on the pipes that are up to 2 inches in diameter. I would not use them on bigger pipes. It will not work. Up to 2 inches. And the rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye.